Well, hello, it's Bears back. I got a lock for you today called Rotten by Lebel. I'm going to be using different kind of tensioning on this because my top of the keyway tensioners I usually use keep wanting to fall out. So I'm going to be kind of picking this Euro style. Okay. Interesting. Sorry, can't see it that well. I think I just picked the tension wrench. No. Next one back. I could get on it. No. No. Huh. Strange. I'm going to click it back a little bit and see what I might have done wrong. Well, took it all the way back again because something's not wanting to set here. There it is. And that's got it. Okay. Very nice. Get our board out. Alrighty. I think I got the cure for this. Kabam! I'm missing one of my. Oh, don't come out! Doggone. Well, I thought I was going to have to convince it not to be camera shy. Turn this back a little way. Something doesn't feel right. I don't like that. There. Nah, it felt right. Okay. Alright. You see they're all in her keys mummied, so. And I don't unmummy a key if I don't have to. If I mess it up, then I'll unmummy the key to find out where the pins went. And 5. I'll show you all when I get done. Pins like always. And clickety click. There we go. Threading in 1 and 5. and doesn't look like any counter milling of any kind. Okay, let's take that out. Make sure where our top is. Okay, let me put my little helper up here. My little helper is a light. Gives me a little more light down inside, so I can see better what I'm doing. Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, that one ran all the way over there. Okay. Oh, it's a pin in pin. Kind of upside down pin in pin. Oh. Come here, little booger. Very nice pins, Albert. Man, very, very nice. Ooh. Wow. Great stuff. Yeah, my buddy don't mess around when it comes to pinning up a lock. Oh. I just got to be careful I don't screw his locks up. Then he might not be my buddy no more. Kidding, just kidding. Well, for some reason the thing wasn't camera shy on me today. I'm so happy about that. Boy, this thing's confusing where the top is with these bars this way. It's messed me up big time. Threading in 5 and 1. Yep, threading 1 and 5 to correspond with the plugs. So these are your pins, and got nicely serrated bottoms and tops. Those serrations are great, buddy. This is a pin and pin here, that floating top, as you can see, to catch up top and leave this hanging below. So it's not a T-pin type, it's just, it'll hang you up dropping in on you. And then you got a nice kind of a mushroom spool on the bottom, then you got a spool and like a mushroom spool on the top. Very nicely done, by the way. Kind of like a milk bottle looking effect there. And that is an awesome little spoolish type bump down. Then you got a nice serrated here and a double kind of serrated there, and it looks like all the pins are standard. And that's what we have in Rotten by my buddy Albert Lebel. Thank you, Albert, for putting it out there for us to pick on, and I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, everybody, and stay legal. Have fun. Okay, bye-bye.